your other child in Manila that you are talking to them
Mm.
and they know you.
Sometimes they send me a money.
Mm,
My second daughter,
mm,
19, his birthday now, 19.
mm-hmm. She's working.
Oh, studying, but
She's studying.
support with the church.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's nice of your child that she help you sometimes if she has money.
Mm.
Okay, and I thank you for having you
Mm.
here. If you guys want to send some support or help her, you can all just comment down below. And while she's still here, because she'll be waiting with her friends, is after this interview, we have another woman interview. Please hit the like button and join patreon.com /Tom Yam Lechon. Good luck with your life, Nai. And I hope one day